Now to start off with our cartoon dragon, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and let's just make a little line that's just going to curve here. Next, let's make a little zigzag line, and we're going to curve it up here for the mouth. Let's draw a little line here. And then let's make another little zigzag line here. We'll curve this in for the bottom of the mouth. Then we're going to bring this line down here. Let's make two little dots for the nose. And then let's make a circle for the eye, and let's color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Let's draw a line down here. We'll make a little curved line for the leg. Then we'll make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps for some toes. Then we can curve this back up here. We'll make another leg here. Let's curve this line. Then let's make 1, 2, and 3 little toes, and we'll curve it up. We're going to bring this line over. Then for the wing, we're going to come up and down here. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down here. Then we're going to bring this line down and up. We'll make it nice and pointy at the end and bring it down here for the tail. We'll do another wing right here. All we have to do is just come up and then into here. Let's draw a little curved line here. And then a couple little lines right there. Let's make a line that's going to come down here, kind of like a squiggle shape. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 bumps. Then bring it back up. We'll curve this line out and make 1, 2, 3 bumps, and then connect it here. Now let's draw a line right to the arm. We're going to jump over it, go to the leg, and then we're going to bring it all the way down to the tail. Let's make some little lines on here so we can show that our dragon has a little bit of like a scaly belly. Right here, let's make a line that curves up and then down, and then another one here, up and down for some horns. Then we'll make some little lines across here for some detail. Then let's add some spikes onto the back of our dragon. All we're going to do is just make little triangles that go all the way down. And we're going to bring these little triangles all the way to the end of the tail. Next, let's make some little W and U shapes on here, and this will make it look like our dragon has some scales. And you can just kind of put these all over. Next, let's draw a line down here, and we'll color this in to kind of show the other side of our dragon's mouth. Then we'll make a little line here. Now, to make it look like our dragon is breathing fire, we're going to make a little kind of pointed, squiggly line like this. Then we'll make some more little squiggly lines all around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute, easy dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.